impress me every day. Getting high off this pub deal money or sitting back, taking in what the world's got for me. It's so funny. I'm driving fast, hoping that I never crash. It's only been a year, but I thought that this would never last. We smile, share a couple laughs. I used to do the Shakespeare competitions. I just hope that they listen when I'm talking. I hope they recognize me when I walk in. I wanted niggas to hear me way before they saw me. I don't respond to every tweet, I think that shit is corny, but I'm showing love to everyone that loves and supports me. And all these girls back from high school, all of a sudden wanna hit me up. I went to school, I kinda liked it, but I had to give it up. I can sit in class or I can live it up. Two ways and I chose the uncommon. The subtle beauty of vending machines and ramen noodles I had gotten used to. Strings you already know. Girl, what you crying for? Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. She keeps saying that she gotta go, but I know that you wanna stay. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up. Damn, you got your whole life planned out. Basically, I was always a standout. You the type that always got your hand out. I was the type to doodle on a handout. Fuck homework, how I'ma be the man now. It's kinda sad cause shorty show me love, but without all the drugs, I'm pretty sure she can't smile. Strings you already know. Girl, what you crying for? Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. She keeps saying that she gotta go, but I know that you wanna stay. Cheer up, I'ma help you cheer up. Top down, riding through.
Nice. Oh.
Telling everybody up your speed. That was a couple of years ago, and now I'm revving up for the never end, switching up gears. Got a couple of years to go. Here we go. Soon as you hear that go, Liverpool to Portsmouth, yeah, that chorus got the crowd screaming. I got the people screaming. Hear the strap, seatbelt, there it's back. Time to blow like I'm dynamo. No more disappearing act. I know you missed me, I missed you too. Sometimes that's what a miss will do. Like Tayo, I was cruising. Now it's time to take my steering back. One of the best to ever do it. A testament to this gang. And even in the wind I never blew it. I swayed but kept to my lane. They call me Fleetwood Mac. I'm a Mac with a fleet. Still getting royalties, no spoiler, but I swear you me. I got the crowd screaming. Cameras can flash, pretty lady by my side, Lewis Hamilton the rap. Foot down, moving mammoth on the track, and I don't need no GPS to see my manner on the map. Still representing my flag, and I've been all around the world, I've done laps. And I got the whole crowd raising the roof, I'm Nigel Man, so better take off hats. Sticks to the flats, to the bass up max. People in the rave, better raise your hands, let me hear you make some noise. They tried to give me a ticket, but I ripped it like a raffle. Tell them people I am Mr. Derek Sack. Pedal to the middle of the level, now you gonna settle for anything less than gold. I ain't gonna middle about end up down and out to the bills. So someone's never given, never had an ego. Running for the fields and the meadows of any valley, and now I'm on the hill with your pedal was able to make a fake.